Everyone, I'm Meenal Vijay Pense and let's see what the third week of December 2020, that is the 15th to the 21st of December 2020, has in store for the sun sign Taurus. For Taurians, this is that one particular week of your life where it is absolutely advised that you don't do anything particularly. It is a week where it is suggested that you just sit back, relax, watch things unfold, just contribute as little as you can, and most importantly, do not try to push things so that they can happen your way, because the more you try to do that, the more you will realize that things will simply not happen. They may get worse, but they will definitely not be the way you are insisting that they be. So it is a week where you have to learn to sit or stand still and just watch things happen rather than you doing something to make the things happen. Moving on to the workspace, this particular theme or the mood of the week that you're going to feel is absolutely and particularly applicable at your place of work. So if you're employed somewhere, you might feel a great deal of stagnancy and monotony that has set into your work. You might feel absolutely bored at work. You might feel there is nothing exciting happening. Things are just going the way they are, and you might feel literally bored to death at your place of work. But then, a very good way of getting through the situation is to simply relax. Now, if in case you're a part of a project where 10 things have to be done by 10 things, you cannot be able to control how the other people operate. But what you can definitely do is see to it that you finish your part of the work on time, meticulously, in a nice manner, in order to see to it that nobody points their fingers at you. Moving on to the area of finances, the finances are absolutely smooth and nice. In fact, you will be very well supported by your loved ones and your near and dear ones. However, there is going to be this feeling of you're not satisfied with the finances of your life, but it is going to be a week where you're neither satisfied and nor you're able to do anything about it. So you will have to make peace with the way currently the finances are for the third week of December 2020. Moving on to the area of relationships, it is particularly recommended that you do not get into a fight with your partner because of your temperament. Because of the in general mood of the week, what is going to happen is you might feel very hassled and annoyed, and there could be situations or instances where the slightest of something or an incident or a word or a remark might just infuriate you no end. See to it that you learn to control your temper. See to it that you understand your triggers and settle them down instead of emptying your entire anger on your partner, your family, or your loved and your dear ones. Moving on to the area of health. This is again an area where the Taurians are likely to be affected for the third week of December 2020. That is because you are going to feel extremely drained. And drained is the word not only physically but especially emotionally. So particularly for the third week of December, see to it that you get maximum of rest and sleep whenever possible. And once you are properly rested, see to it that you engage in any kind of an activity, however small it is, that makes you happy, that makes you feel a little bit good about yourself. This is a week where you will have to learn to be happy with yourself and try not to get as much as mentally and emotionally hassled as possible. Your feedback, your responses, and your reactions about your experience of the week are absolutely welcome. Please feel free to share your experiences in the comment box or DM me personally, and I will be very happy to hear your experiences. Here's wishing you a very beautiful and a happy week ahead. Thank you.